Hello everyone, welcome to the Blame FX. Today I want to show you a very beautiful, profitable strategy. A strategy that everyone can apply and make money for themselves. What is the strategy all about? The strategy is all about you seeking a buy position in the market and coming out of the market with what? 100% or 200% of your lot size. So for you to make good money with this strategy, then you must have good equities. Okay, you must have good equity, good trading capital for you to make money with this. Okay, and of course if you don't have enough money, then you should be ready to grow your account over time. All right, be ready to grow your account over time, because wealth is accumulated and wealth does not just come in one day. I can't become a billionaire just by closing my eyes and open it. It's not possible. All right, so straight up to the strategy, guys. I'm going to be installing or adding the indicator that you need for this. The indicator is no other indicator than the stochastic oscillator indicator. So I'm going to be adding this stoch right now on my chart. Okay, so that's the stoch oscillator, stochastic oscillator. All right, so let's look at it very well. Look at it closely, and you'll see the settings that I have here. My percent K period is 8, percent D period is 3, and slowing is what? 3. So the formation is what? 8, 3, 3. Okay, your price field is low slash high. All right, your method simple, styles main, and that's the main is green. Okay, signal line is red. I prefer to be red on default. All right, on default. I love everything on default. The only thing that we are changing here is the percent K, okay, which is 5, but we changed to 8. All right, so this is what we need right now to trade this strategy. And here I go, I'm going to add it and done. You can see that we now have the indicator on our chart, so I'm going to make it a bit visible for you. Okay, yeah, because currently now all you need is the indicator. Okay, you need to understand what the indicator is doing and then you utilize it. First of all, remember that in Forex, it is said that you buy when the market is low and then you sell when the market is high. Now, for that fact, the stochastic oscillator indicator is a momentum indicator that tells you when the price of an asset is oversold or overbought. At the oversold level, you're placing a buy order, and at the overbought level, you're placing a sell order. But this strategy is basically for buy positions. Once again, I am telling you, and I'll keep sounding it, it's basically for what? Buy positions. So do not do otherwise if you want to be profitable with this strategy. You must also learn to know what the general trend of the market is for the day before you start placing trades in the market. All right, you must know what the general trend of the market is for the day before you start placing your buy orders. Right now I can see that the crash 500 index is on the downside, and today's candle has been what? Bullish. Well, it has been bearish and now bullish. So it has been sideways, okay, and it's going to close what? Bullish today, meaning that tomorrow we might see a very long bullish candle to the top. But guys, what I'm trying to make you understand is understanding the trend of the market. It's going to help you earn so much money from the market, especially when the crash index is bullish. When the market is bullish, you hold your trade positions for long, but when the market is bearish, your trade positions would only give you 100%, 200%, or 300% of whatever lot size you would apply in the market. Now, how does this strategy work? How does it work? Let's look at it from the strategy point of view. You must use the 1 minute time frame for the strategy, guys. Okay, you must use the 1 minute time frame for this, whatever way you want to keep your charts. Okay, anyhow your charts is, you would always see the price and the reactions. You always see the entry. Okay, you will never miss it because the strategy is very visible. Now, what is the strategy? What am I looking at on this 1 minute time frame now? If the stochastic oscillator indicator is a momentum indicator, that signifies when the price of an index or an asset is at the overbought or at the oversold. Then the question here is, how do I implement this? Now let's look at this. If the price is here, like where it is currently, you know that the market is at the what? Overbought level, right? Yes, that is it. When the price is there, it is at the overbought level. Okay, so let's go. Price at this level, it's at the overbought level. If it comes down, then this is the oversold level. So what are you looking out for right now as a trader? You want to see this price dip below the level 20, because the stochastic oscillator has two levels to look at for: level 80 and level 20. Now when the stock is below the level 20, you start waiting to see the signal for you to what? Place your orders. And what is that signal? All right, let's look at it. What's the signal? I'm going to be showing the signal right now. Okay, it doesn't matter how your chart, how you get to zoom in and all that, but what matters is whatever zoom level you're using, it's going to show you the same thing, okay, that I am seeing here. Now let's look at this again. Let's look at it from here. What do you need to see? You want to see a cross below the level 20, a sharp cross below the level 20. All right, you want to see a sharp cross below the level 20. That is what you need. All right, that is what you need to look out for in this strategy. What is that cross? Look at how price crossed around here. Okay, looking at that, you can see that the green line crossed the red signal line. Okay, at that sharp cross, okay, that crossing is an entry for you. And if you look at the chart, you can see that from here price pushed up. All right, price pushed up, but the strategy is all about you jumping in on a particular candle, okay, and then exiting that trade when the market gives you 100% of your lot size. If you're taking 200%, that's risk for you, but we prefer taking 100% of our lot size. We'll multiply that by how many times we get to what go into the market with this crossing. It's that simple. You need to see the green line crossing the red signal line, and that is what you need to see right now in the market for you to make a profit. Okay, you need to see that crossing for you to make what? Profit. If there is no cross, then there is no entry. All right, so patience is also applied at this time for you to make profits in the market. Let's go back to let's do a quick test look back. Okay, quick look back. Now I bring the crosshair, and then let's look at this from here. See where the crossing came in. You can see that crossing from this level. All right, the crossing at that level, okay, that can be visible. Now when we place this crosshair on that level, you see the exact candle where the price crossed, right? You can see where it crossed, the second candle to the third candle. All right, so on the opening of the candle that crosses, okay, you're placing a buy order at that level, and possibly price pushes up to this level. Okay, that's from that level you begin to earn 100% of your lot size. Now this is another thing you can do. Okay, you check that, and then you know that there's a cross. You go in, you see at this level there's another cross, you go in. That is you making two entries, okay, in less than what? 30 minutes. Now this may not happen all the time, especially when the price is on a bullish run. Okay, when the market is bullish, the price will just be going up, okay, and then you might not be seeing all this fall and all this crossing as much as you can be seeing them. All right, but when the price is bearish, when the market is bearish, you wait for the indicator to cross below 20. All right, wait for the indicator to cross below 20. But if the market is not bearish and it's bullish, and then there is a cross outside of the level 20, okay, you need to place a buy order and also book what? 100%. Look at this, guys. From here you book that, and there's another crossing here, you're booking another 100%. Right now you look at this. If the market is a complete bullish market and then there is a crossing around there, you can go in and place another. But the safest of all is waiting for it to cross below the level. Waiting for it to cross below the level. That is what you want to see, and that is how you would earn from the market. There is no big deal here. There is nobody who would say that they don't understand how this works. It's quite simple. Patience is the key, right? You wait for the price to come down. Right now, you see where the indicator is. You can see that far above what the level 80 at the overbought level, right? So what happens right here? You wait for this to come down till it gets below 20, and then you place what, a buy order. Now, when the market is bullish, you can hold and take up about 5 candles. So you're spending like 5 minutes in the market to 10 minutes, all right? But when it's bearish, please just take 100% of your lot size and leave the market. If you have small equity, then be ready to accept whatever small figures you get and multiply it over time. That is going to give you good profit. If you're having a $10 account and you make $2 every day, that is good profit for you. But for you to make $2 every day, it means you have to take 10 trades in the market to make $2 every blessed day. I hope that is well understood. I want to believe that somebody got value from what I have been saying so far. All right, trading with the stochastic oscillator indicator, which is a momentum indicator, all right, that helps you identify when the price is at the oversold level, which is a level where it has gone really deep, okay, and should be what, pushing up. That is where you get to place your what, buy orders. In our next episode, I'm going to be showing you how to place sell orders. But for now, guys, just look at this and take this as a giveaway and start making money with this strategy. You can leave a feedback for us, okay, or you join our Telegram channel at Bleem FX. Just search that word Bleem, BLEEMFX on Telegram. Join the channel, and then you'll get to reach an admin there for whatever questions in regards to the strategy that you want to make. All right, if you have any inquiries about the strategy we just talked about, or you can send a direct message to Trade with Bleem on Telegram, okay, Trade with Bleem on Telegram, and then your questions would be answered. Okay, it will be answered as long as it has to do with the strategy which we are talking about. Learn this strategy, trade this strategy, in with the strategy, and leave a feedback for us. We love you all. More of this is going to be coming out. Let's see you in the next episode. Bye for now, guys.